Receding gums treatment, how to stop receding gums naturally, at home. You should know that it's a good idea to go to the dentist a few times a year to check your gums and your teeth. And as we said, there are a few natural things you can do to keep your teeth healthy between appointments. Here's what you need. Number 1. Baking soda. A recent study, published in the Journal of Clinical Dentistry, has found that toothpaste containing baking soda is much more effective in enhancing plaque removal from harder-to-reach areas of the dentition. This means that you can use baking soda on your teeth by mixing a bit of the powder with water to create a paste and rub along your gum line. You can also use it to make your own natural toothpaste. You will be amazed by the results. Number 2. Aloe Vera. A recent study, conducted by a group of researchers at the Journal of Indian Society of Periodontology, has discovered that subgingival administration of aloe vera gel results in improvement of periodontal condition. You should also know that the aloe vera gel also reduced pocket depth in gums, which can be attributed to anti-inflammatory, antibacterial, and wound healing properties. Aloe vera. Aloe vera, the plant of immortality, is known to provide relief in swelling, pain, bleeding gums, and antifungal for thrush, an oral infection caused by yeast. How to use it? You just have to apply organic, food-grade aloe vera to your gums a few times a week. Number 3. Tea tree oil. Did you know that tea tree oil is one of nature's most effective antiseptics? Well, yes, and it's been known to work wonderfully against thrush and other oral infections. How to use it? You just have to rub a few drops of tea tree oil on your gums to help alleviate symptoms of gum disease, specifically gum inflammation. Or, you can also purchase all-natural toothpastes made with tea tree oil from your local health food store. You will be amazed by the results. Number 4. Clove oil. You can also use clove oil to heal and stop receding gums. You should apply clove oil directly to the gums, used topically, for toothache, for pain control during dental work. It is also applied to the skin as a counter-irritant for pain, and for mouth and throat inflammation. Or, you can try this simple trick as well. You can use clove oil directly on the gum to relieve pain, but frequent and repeated application of clove oil in the mouth or on the gums can sometimes cause damage to the gums, tooth pulp, skin, and mucous membranes. Note, to be on the safe side, use an all-natural clove oil toothpaste every 2 to 3 days. Number 5. Turmeric. Turmeric is one of the healthiest spices in the world. But, did you know that turmeric is also great for fighting inflammation and infection, making it the perfect therapy for gum disease? Well, yes, and you should add more turmeric to your diet, or apply directly to your teeth and gum. And don't forget to try this homemade turmeric paste if you have periodontal problems. Note, if you have periodontal problems, apply a paste made from 1 teaspoon of turmeric, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of mustard oil. You should know that if you use this paste 2 times every day, it will provide relief from symptoms of gingivitis and periodontitis. Number 6. Coconut oil. This super healthy ingredient is loaded with healthy nutrients, and it can provide many health benefits. You should know that coconut oil naturally protects and hydrates the gums. It's loaded with lauric acid, which is both antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory. If you want to get the best results out of this treatment, you should try oil pulling for 30 minutes in the morning or before bed. It will help heal your mouth and prevent receding gums. If you find this information useful, hit the like button, share this, and subscribe to our channel.